Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for the juiciest product comparisons. Today, we've got a heavyweight battle between two Samsung warriors. In the left corner, we have the premium, the luxurious, the wallet-draining Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And in the right corner, the budget-friendly, the thrifty champion, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Who will come out on top? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The S21 Ultra will set you back a whopping $1,399. I mean, who needs a kidney, right? In contrast, the A15 is a mere $158. You could buy almost 9 A15s for the price of one S21 Ultra. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, or do you? Next up, let's talk about displays. The S21 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X, 1440x, 3200 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and 1500 nits peak brightness. This screen is so bright, it could double as a flashlight at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Reviewers love the vivid colors and brightness, making it a top choice for media consumption. The A15, on the other hand, has a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED 1080x 2340 pixels with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Not too shabby, but it's like comparing a Lamborghini to a tricycle. Sure, both will get you from point A to B, but one will do it in style, and the other, well, it has a bell. Reviewers appreciate the A15's display for its price, but it doesn't hold a candle to the S21 Ultra. Now, let's dive into performance. The S21 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 with 12 GB of RAM. This thing is a beast. It's like having a supercomputer in your pocket. Reviewers are impressed with its snappy performance and multitasking capabilities. Meanwhile, the A15 is rocking the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus with 6 GB of RAM. It's decent. But if the S21 Ultra is a rocket ship, the A15 is more like a reliable old bicycle. It'll get you there, but don't expect to break any speed records. According to reviewers, the A15 performs well for everyday tasks, but isn't meant for heavy gaming or demanding applications. All right, let's talk cameras. The S21 Ultra has a rear setup that includes a 108 megapixels main sensor and a 40MP front camera. This thing is so good, you'll start seeing details you never wanted to see, like every pore on your face. Reviewers rave about the camera quality, especially the optical zoom and video recording capabilities. The A15 has a 50 megapixels main camera and a 13 megapixels front camera. It's like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Sure, you can take pictures, but don't expect to win any photography awards. Reviewers find the camera decent for casual snaps, but lacking in advanced features and quality compared to the S21 Ultra. Both phones have a 5000 mAh battery. But here's the kicker. The A15 doesn't come with a charger. It's like buying a car and finding out the wheels are sold separately. Reviewers are frustrated by the lack of a charger, even though the battery life itself is solid. On the other hand, the S21 Ultra also has a 5000 mAh battery and supports fast charging. However, some reviewers have noted issues with the charger and fast charging capabilities. Despite this, the battery life is generally praised. Overall, reviewers find the S21 Ultra to be an impressive, high-performing device with a stunning display and exceptional camera capabilities, although it comes at a high price. The Galaxy A15 is seen as a good value for its price, providing decent performance and display quality but lacking in premium features. So there you have it, folks. If you've got cash to burn and want the absolute best, the S21 Ultra is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a solid phone, the A15 has your back. It's a classic case of David versus Goliath, except Goliath costs a fortune and David forgot his charger. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.